Dr. Rinki Andrew.
Mr. Chairperson, before I raise a matter of public interest, I would kindly request you to allow me to speak on another subject, because the subject which I had mentioned, I had already spoken yesterday. So kindly allow me to speak on this very important subject. So through you, Mr. Chairman, I wish to draw the attention of the Ministry of Education regarding the state of affairs of one of the oldest central university in the Northeast, that is Northeastern Hill University. Sir, for 392 days, the present VC is absent from the university, yet he is drawing his salary, and it is also very unfortunate that this VC, Professor P.S. Shukla, continue to interfere with the day-to-day functioning of the university and putting the university in great distress. And therefore, I demand through you, sir, that this Vice-Chancellor be immediately removed. And I would also like to draw the attention of even the House that an inquiry team was conducted by the Ministry of Education. It's been a year, yet the inquiry report is yet to be submitted, and I urge the concerned ministry that the report be tabled in the House. And for the good of this great university, sir, I demand that the government once again remove this incompetent Vice-Chancellor and appoint a new one, so that this university can rise up, from the crisis that it is in and continue to focus on teaching and research for the good and welfare of all the stakeholders. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.